Welcome everybody to Gus Brown GMC here in Port Perry with another great truck find. This is a 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 Crew Cab with the Duramax Turbo-Diesel. This has no accident history. It's a one-owner truck, has just over 72,000 kilometers on it, and the AT4 gives you a ton of great features, which we're going to show you today, as well as the condition, so you can have a great look at this from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, we have the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder Duramax Turbo-Diesel engine. This is a great engine paired with the 10-speed automatic because not only do you get that diesel power, but you get incredible fuel efficiency, which you don't always hear of with a truck. We're talking 10 liters per 100 kilometers combined fuel economy, which is fantastic when you compare it with, say, the V8 engine, which is more like 14 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers. So it's a really nice fuel efficient truck, and you can still tow with this 8,800 pound towing capacity. Now, the AT4 package gives you these great looking 20-inch alloy wheels. We've got all-terrain dualer tires on here. Behind this, we've got off-road suspension with a 2-inch factory lift. So you've got a lot of ground clearance on this. We've got skid plates underneath and a 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive system. So again, off-road, on-road, construction site, cottage roads, or just cruising down the highway, you're gonna be super comfortable. Very, very capable truck. Now you can see from the side profile here, nice crew cab, 4 doors, lots of room in the back for passengers. You're gonna see that in just a moment. LED turn signals on the mirrors, AT4 badge, and then check out the side steps to help the little ones get into the back seat. That's gonna make it nice and easy for them. Now, as we come around to the business end, again, great looking wheel and tire combo here. Love the step up rear bumper. And then this has the multi-pro tailgate, which I love. I think it's such a cool design. I mean, it's hard to be innovative with something that's been the same thing for years and years, but they've done it with this. Now check this out. So you can fold down just this top part here. And this is great if you want to hang things out the back of the truck. You know, you put a whole bunch of 2x4s in there, something like that, you can do that. Now putting this back up, this is my favorite feature of the tailgate. Dropping this down, there's this cool little piece here that flips up, and now you have a tailgate extender. So your drywall and all that other stuff doesn't come sliding out the back. Really cool design. And then of course you can also drop this down, and then you've got a step to hop into the back if you'd like that, or folding that up, you can stand in a little bit closer to load up the back of the truck. Now you can see the factory applied spray on bed liner, the AT4 badge in the back there. And then we've got a 400 watt power outlet right here. So all the power that you're gonna need for your tailgating and, you know, stuff on the job site, which is nice. Now let's fold this back up and, apologize, I'm doing it with one hand, so bear with me. There we go. Folding it back up, dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver already installed. It is wired up as well. And we have an integrated trailer brake controller from the factory installed inside. You're gonna see that when we get to the interior in just a moment, but we want to walk around the complete exterior so you can see the condition of this truck. Might be thinking of purchasing this for yourself, and this is going to give you that really nice close look before you head up here to Port Perry to take this out for a drive. Up front, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. We do have a hood edge protector on the top here as well. And then we've got driving lights down below. And then of course the AT4 gives you the nice red recovery tow hooks. You see those on the bottom there. All right, now let's go take a look on the inside. We're gonna start off with the back seats. Want to show you all the room we got back here. So, I mean, opening the doors, you can see adult passengers back here will fit really nicely, very comfortable. We've got these great leather seating. The AT4 comes with this cool kind of khaki brown accents on that leather seating, and then we've got some storage in behind here, and then USB ports, a 12-volt port, cup holders as well, and the ventilation, so that way, again, back passengers, whether it's kids, adults, they can plug in, sit back and relax. Now up front, we've got the bucket seats, AT4 embroidered into the headrest, just a nice little touch there, and again, those khaki brown inserts. You can see the big center console. We've got a power driver's seat with power lumbar support, and that is hooked up to a 2-driver memory system here on the driver's door with the easy entry exit assist as well. And these are heated and ventilated front seats, so nice air conditioning in the summertime blowing through the leather so you don't get too smoky hot in here, which is really nice. Now inside, have a look around. Beautiful interior. Again, trucks have come such a long way with the interior design on this. Safety features: forward emergency braking, lane keeping assist. We've got a great camera system on this as well, automatic headlights, a ton more stuff on here. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, controls for our center display, and then check out the odometer there, 72,779 kilometers. Now over here to our driver's left is our 4-wheel drive system. You can see the 2-speed transfer case there, and then the drive mode dial is just above that. And then here is our headlights, automatic, as you can see, tailgate lighting, or sorry, truck bed lighting as well right there. And then over to our infotainment system. So really great infotainment on this, XM satellite radio. So you can see that there. We also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The one thing I love about this is you can download different apps on here. So you can see we've got Amazon Alexa, Spotify's been downloaded. There's a lot of cool things you can download all through the OnStar services. So when you sign up with that, you get access to those downloads, but you also have Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can use your truck as a hotspot for your cell phone, for your tablet, for your laptop. So when your kids hop in, they can hotspot the truck as well and use that data, which is really nice. Obviously makes road trips pretty darn sweet when they don't have to steal data from your phone as well. It does have the user profile, so if you have multiple drivers, each driver can have their own profile and set that up. We have the trailering app as well. This is great if you don't do a lot of towing. This checklist here is a big help because it will go through the list of things you need to check before you take off, so you don't leave with your trailer still plugged into the electrical outlet of your garage or something silly like that. Not that I've ever done that before, right? That was an expensive repair. You can also do your trailer light check right through this app as well. So really great for towing, especially like I say, if you're not towing often, this is a fantastic system. Here is our camera. So nice clear rear view camera, conveniently timed with that car coming there. We've got the trailer attachment as well, so that way when you're backing up, it lines right up with your hitch. And then as you get really close, you've got this view. So really, you can do all your trailer towing with just yourself, with the light check, with the camera. You don't really need any assistance to get hooked up. I'll save all the rest of that for you to explore inside here. Now we've got our dual zone climate control, heated and cooled seats. Here we've got some of the safety systems and a couple of the other little toggles there. We've got another regular outlet up front, USB ports, and then here is our trailer brake controller. Now I left the keys here to show you. We've also got remote start on this, and then you can flip down the tailgate from the key fob. That's hooked up to the push button start. And then nice big center console, lots of storage inside here with more USB ports and our Carfax. And here you can see 1 owner vehicle, no accident history, 9 service records as well on file. So that is fantastic to see. This is a really clean AT4 diesel. And again, the diesel getting that incredible fuel economy. This is a really great find here at Port Perry. So come and check it out. Bring the family, take it out for a drive. You're gonna absolutely love driving around in your Sierra AT4. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you here at Gus Brown in Port Perry.